Hello and welcome back to my bike touring journey to Gibraltar Strait. My trip began 2 months ago in southwest Germany, and I just spent my night while camping in my tent on this small beach on the east coast of Spain, only a couple of hours away from Alicante, the next big city on my route. The next morning was very calm, and I started the day fresh after yesterday's catastrophe. If you are interested in watching the biggest adventure of my life, make sure to subscribe to my channel and check the previous videos from this amazing bikepacking trip.
Good morning. It is almost 9 o'clock in the morning and I've seen a beautiful sunrise once again. Today the most important thing for me is to try to find a post office and try to send the paraglider and the trailer back home to Germany. I cannot fly anymore. Bad luck, bad circumstances. The paraglider could have fallen on any other spot on that basically free of obstacles place, but that's how it is now. I cannot dwell too much on it. Now I'm going to pack up the tent and head in the city and look for a post office. Hopefully this time is working better and they are not going to peel the skin off of me. Good news, guys. So I went to the GLS package shop in Altea at the beach, and the guy was speaking very good English, and he explained to me that yes, it is possible to send my paraglider and my trailer, and it's costing 40 euros, 39 euros something, which is really good. I was really hoping that would be the best case scenario, and he told me I need a box or some foil to wrap the stuff, and I traveled another 3.5 kilometers to another shop where I could finally find what I needed. It costed me now 11.25 to buy this 50 meters, 40 yards of foil. Right now it's important to travel lighter because I don't need to carry the paraglider with me anymore. Therefore I don't need to carry the trailer with me anymore. Okay, let's ride back to the other shop. I arrived now at the other shop. It has been an adventure so far with this too. It's for a lifetime. I really enjoyed every single bit of it, even though it was really hard. So anyway, I'm going to wrap them together now. Get this behind me. So this is how everything looks now like. That's my paraglider inside the trailer and a couple of other items. It's really looking like a mummy right now. It's unbelievable. But at least I am getting rid of it. I'm very happy. Okay, thank you so much for everything.
Okay,
yeah?
great.
Okay.
Have a good return.
Yeah, thank you. Bye bye, take care, bye. I am now without the paraglider and without the trailer. Oh my gosh, I'm going to repack, readjust everything here and then make myself ready to continue my journey. Now I'm really enjoying riding without the weight, and I decided to come to a nice lookout point on top of the mountain in Benidorm and look at this. Woo! Oh my god! Hey! I am on top of the mountain. I'm dizzy the way I rode the bike up here. Oh my gosh, look at this. That's the view. I love the way the mountains are just in the clouds there. And this is Benidorm and its beaches. It was definitely worth coming up here. I cannot miss the opportunity to fly again the drone here. So let's take it out. guys, so I am leaving now Benidorm, which was extremely beautiful and very fascinating. I am riding direction Alicante, where most likely I am going to be hosted by someone for the night. I will tell you the details later. So let me update you with what happened so far. I rode the last 36 kilometers up and down on the hills, but very good streets, to Alicante. I am now in Alicante, soon in the city center. So Gregor, the guy I was riding with for a couple of days now, he got the possibility through Couchsurfing to sleep at a guy who was ready to host him, but he found somebody else that he would rather choose. So I have now the possibility to sleep at this first person that Gregor found. I didn't really think I'm going to sleep tonight at somebody, but why not? It's maybe a change, you know, to leave the streets and go into a house. Maybe do a bit of laundry, maybe check the city. Let's see what I'm going to do. So this guy just wanted to know what my name is, where I am from, what I have done so far. It's kind of like to have a picture of me, because on Couchsurfing you have a profile. And I do not use nor Couchsurfing, nor warm showers, nor anything. I just like to be on my own off-grid. But if I have the possibility to sleep at someone and to have it a bit more comfortable for a night, why not? So in Alicante, that's now my possibility. Came out of nowhere, so I'm going to use it. What have I been up to from last night up till now? Well, I met this guy from Couchsurfing, and he is very friendly and very cool. Talked a lot about different things. He even offered me to stay another night if I want to. I am here now at this very beautiful castle, or remains of a castle. I tried to fly the drone before, but was not allowed, so I had to land immediately. That's why there was not much footage to show. I am going now to take the bike, which I had to park down there at the parking lot because you are not allowed to bring it up here. Ride maybe a bit through Alicante. Let's see. What's going on, guys? I am now in Robert's place. This is the place where I have slept. I spent here my last 2 nights. I've seen Alicante, traveled in many different places here through the town, 2 different castles, 1 skater park, nice fountain, and through the city. It was actually a very nice time, and Robert is a very chill guy. I really enjoyed being here, coming back to my powers, being able to shower, just chill, relax. I am now once again ready to hit the road. I had to reconceptualize entirely the way I am carrying my sleeping bag, my tent, and all the other stuff. And I'm about to leave now this house. Let me show you the bike, how it's now looking like. Let's go downstairs. Okay, so I'm now downstairs. Let me show you what improvements I have done with the bike now. So as you can see, there is no trailer anymore and no paraglider, obviously. I have put now the tent down below as usual, as it was before. The sleeping bag is now here on top of the tent, and this is the blanket that I have received from that guy from Switzerland. If you didn't check that episode, go and check it out. And I also put now the solar panel in front of the bicycle, right here. I secured it here with 2 hooks, here and there. Let's leave Alicante and head down to Cartagena. Let's see how far I reach. Look what a gem of a beautiful park I found here in Alicante. It's looking as if I am now in Jamaica or in the Caribbean. It's very pretty. I tell you, this life of a traveler, it's so beautiful sometimes. I wouldn't want to exchange it for nothing, Sometimes, yeah, it is hard and you feel dirty and tired and sweaty. And as you guys might know me, if you followed my vlogs, I am a lot into adventures and unconventional way of traveling. I'm gonna find myself now a bench and just chill for a while. I just started again my journey, direction Cartagena. I have to ride 107 kilometers to reach there. It's 3 o'clock now, but I really have to tell you guys, it feels every time weird and kind of like down to leave the comfort of a house. But after a couple of hours out here, you feel again alive. Like, wow, I am traveling with my own bike, with my own power of my own body through the world. Other people cannot maybe imagine to ride 20 kilometers with a bike, and you ride here thousands upon thousands of kilometers. That's just fascinating. I have such a cozy and nice feeling inside of me when I have to travel long distances that are stretching over a single street. Phenomenal. I freaking love what I do. I freaking love it, guys. Once again on the lookout for a sleeping place. I am now here close to Cartagena. I am here in a very touristic area. The sun is already setting, as you can see on my face. I'm looking again for a place to sleep. Most likely I will find something nice. I still have 1 hour until it's pitch dark. Let's see what I can find. This is my place for tonight. I am at the beach. And this is full of tourists actually, but now it's 9:30 and they are less and less, I've noticed. So yeah, I'm gonna just pitch my tent here on the wooden boards. That's it. Yeah, that's it for tonight. I'm going to cook something now and pitch up my tent like in 1 hour. See you tomorrow.
What a crazy, beautiful adventure. So many unexpected and interesting things are happening out here on the road. If you liked this video, you can watch here one of the previous episodes from my journey, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the thumbs up on this one. Make sure to tune in for the next episode, where I am going to have one of the hardest climbs so far, and the scenery is absolutely breathtaking. Thanks a lot for watching.